Fitness trackers help you live a better lifestyle and also help you track your fitness regime. That's why today I'm unboxing one of the latest fitness trackers by Fitbit, the Fitbit Charge 5. Now before we jump into the unboxing, let me quickly read out the specs from the box. The Fitbit Charge 5 comes with a 24/7 heart rate monitor, comes with a stress management score and an EDA sensor. You also get heart health notifications on the fitness tracker. According to the box, it comes with a built-in GPS for pace and distance. Not only that, it is a complete medical device since it also comes with an SpO2 monitor. It's time we unbox it. A very quick and convenient way to open up the box. We get a slit through here, and once we open it, voila, it's done. Now here is the Fitbit Charge 5 itself once we open up the box. Let me take it out. Now that we have taken out all the box contents, let's go through them one by one. First and foremost, Fitbit provides a quick user guide that you get inside the box, and I do suggest that you go through it at least once. Next in line is the product information guide that you get inside the box. Generic paperwork, but a suggestion that you should go through it at least once. Next in line is an additional strap that you get inside the box. It is bigger than the one you get on the tracker itself, so a choice of options for you. Next in line is a USB Type A to normal charging dock that you get inside the box. Now since it is a USB Type A, you can insert it into your PCs, systems or laptops, and for that matter into a charger that is lying around in your house. Finally, here is the Fitbit Charge 5, and it looks really elegant in its white cream color. The tracker itself comes in a gold color which looks really premium, and the straps are silicone but they feel very comfortable and soft in the hand. Now the display on the Fitbit Charge 5 is a 1.4-inch OLED panel which is colorful and vibrant, and as for the battery life, it comes with a 7-day battery capacity, so that's really efficient for you. Now let me quickly put it on and show you how it's going to look like. Now this is how the Fitbit Charge 5 is going to look once you put it on. It's really comfortable and lightweight sitting on the wrist, and overall you're going to have a good time when you wear it. So guys, that was a quick unboxing for the Fitbit Charge 5, and I hope you found this video helpful.